whatever.
You're welcome, buddy.
Hey everybody, hope you all enjoyed the video. To be honest, have not decided what I'm going to do in the video, if it's going to be a stop motion or if it's going to be just a normal video. So whatever it turns out to be, I hope you do enjoy it or did enjoy it. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Come back and watch again tomorrow. Make a request if you want to see a particular salad or something else. Or if you want a particular type of video, or if you think that I could do a particular type of shot, that you know something about videos or videoing, please let me know. It's a learning thing for me, so happy to try new things, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.
How beautiful is my girlfriend?
Are you recording?
Nah, I've just started recording, yeah. Thumbs up.
I'm ready for my close-up. Let's start it now. But we're gonna go soon.
Yes.
Yeah.